In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on LinkedIn about your new job. So make sure to watch into this video because you don't want to miss any of the steps, and they're all pretty crucial. So the first thing you want to do here is make sure you go to LinkedIn website and make sure that you are signed in on your account. From here, we can go either to our profile here, or we can go to me and then view profile. Once we've done that, we want to go down to experience. We can press this little add here, add position, and it's going to ask you for the title of the position. So this is your new job title. So marketing assistant, boom. You can select the employment type, the company, so we can say Adobe, for example, so work there. Location, London, let's say work in London. Location type, so put on-site or hybrid, whatever it is. I'm currently working at the role, so put the date that you started, so January 2023. And you can keep this checked if you still work, then you're not left yet. You can also end the position at your previous job by clicking that, or you can leave it off. You put the industry here, and you can put a brief description about it. Now you can put the headline for what it is, and you can add some skills here, and also some media. So if you've got a photo of you getting your job, whatever you got, you can add that there. Now, if you want people to see that you've just got that job and you want it to be posted, you want to press this little button here that says Notify Network. What this will do is going to post onto your feed. If you turn this off, it will not post it. So you want to turn this on. You want to hit save, hit next, and then it's going to ask you what post you want to do on it. It's going to give you a default one. You can change this up what you want. Hit post, you're going to hear a little chime. And then somewhere it should say, so it says your job here, somewhere it should say you should post about your new job. Yeah, here we go. I'm happy that my new position at Adobe. Cool. So that is how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. This helped. Thank you for watching.